Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually screenshot your um, laptop. In case if you want to screenshot any folder, file, photo, video, whatever, anything you want to screenshot on your system, you can actually do this. And the good thing is that you can do it from any system, whether you are using your PC or Mac, any system at all you are using. So before I start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video and share it to those who will need it. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to your search bar and then you search snipping tool. So this is it. This is the app snipping tool. So first thing to do is just to click it. So this is it, snipping tool. So after that, the next thing to do is to click new. This new right here, then click it. And then the next thing to do is to scroll like this. So just scroll it this way. Make sure you drag what you want to screenshot. So in case if you want to screenshot this, just drag it like this. So this is it, see, and then you click save right here, and then you can give it a name. Let me say screen. Let me just give it screen window. Let me just say screen window, and then the next thing is to type save. So just click the save button. Okay, so I've saved it automatically. So let's say you want to screenshot another thing. Maybe you want to go to your web. Let's say you want to screenshot this, for example. Go back to the search bar again, and then you type snipping tool, the same app. See right here, snipping tool, and then you click it. You click new, and then you drag. Then you wait, and then you click save, and then you give it a name. Let me just say web screen. Make sure you give it a name so that you can differentiate it from other screenshots you did. So you click save. Then in case if you want to find where your folder is located, you can actually select the folder. So mine is here. Go to pictures. I already have where I used to save it, which is screenshot. This is the folder where it saves automatically. So I'll click it and then look for it. Where did I click that one? Okay, this is it. This is the first one. This is the second one. See it here. Yeah, this is it. Hope you can see the screenshot. Yeah. So guys, that's just it. In case if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it as well. Thank you.